Today we're looking at the Wolfang GA200 4K action camera. Before we start, if you find the video helpful, leave a like. Any questions, ask me in the comment section down below, and subscribe for more reviews. I have also reviewed the Wolfang GA100 and GA300. If you would like to see these videos, I will leave a link in the description for both videos. So before we start, let's take a look around the box. So here is just the front, it's got the name, GA200. And here we just have some specs. So now let's take a look inside the box. So this is everything what comes inside the box. We have a quick start guide here. We have the user manual. We have the camera itself and the accessories. So it comes with a lot of accessories, and I don't know what a lot of them are, but I'll kind of show you what I do know. This is a case for your camera to put if you wanted to mount it onto a tripod. This is a remote, that's start video or take a picture. You got some tie clips here, a cloth. This camera comes with 4 batteries. The battery charging port. I'm guessing that's the cable for the charging port. This is a mount what you would put on your handlebars for your scooter or bike. And this is a trapdoor what will record audio as it has these two cut out. So now let's have a look at the camera itself. So it comes in this waterproof case, which all buttons are still functional. To access the camera, you'd flick this back, pull the door back, and get the camera out. So this is the camera's 170-degree field of view lens. Here you have your power on off button, your select button. This is your front screen. On the side here you have your down button and your up button and your built-in speaker. This is your battery door hatch where you put your battery inside. Here you have your back screen. Here we have our HD out port, our micro SD port where we put our SD card, and here we have our micro USB port with your built-in microphone there, if you can see. So now let's look at the camera's functions. So if we switch it on here, put the battery in, and I've put my SD card in there. So if we have a look here, as you can see here, if you click this, this is where all your videos, save videos will be. As you can see, I've done a short recording just to show you, but you can delete that. And then if we go back, here, this is on video mode now, and as you can see, it'll say here 4K 38 frames per second. And then if you swipe left or right, it'll change to your picture mode, which is 24 megapixels. Go back here. This is your battery, and this is showing you what microphone type you're using, and that's just showing your video. If you go here, show your photo. Now let's check the settings. So here's your video resolution. This camera only goes up to 4K 30 frames per second, and then you've got your 2.7K 60 FPS, 2.7K 30 FPS, and it has many more. You go back here, you have your EIS, so which means electronic image stabilizer, well, stabilization. You've got your voice record, wind noise reduction if it's windy outside, your EV, metering, date stamp. Let's look at general settings here. We have sounds. I'm not sure if you can hear it, but there is a beep every time I'm pressing something. That's just your sounds, or when you're powering it up and it makes that chime. You've got your angle for your different camera angles. So you've got a wide angle lens, medium or narrow. Then we've got diving mode. We've got effect, distortion, calibration, driving mode, microphone, which could be external or built-in, upside down screensaver, auto power off if you're idle for a long time, power frequency, white balance, date and time for your date and time, language for your language, format card, and system. So if you want to access the settings quicker, you would just hold down the OK button, and then it would automatically do it like that. Just select your Wi-Fi, fast motion, slow motion, loop record. Oh, didn't mean to press that. Just get back off this. Press cancel. There we go. So now slow motion loop record, so you can use it as a dash cam. and your time lapse. So as you know, this camera does have a front screen. To access that front screen, you would hold this down for 2 to 3 seconds. And there you go. As you can see, the front screen has come on. And to access the back one, hold it down for another 3 seconds. And there you go, it's back on. So now, let's have a look at the camera in action. I am now recording in 1080p 60 frames per second, as I have lost my other SD card and this one is not as powerful. I am also using EIS off with the built-in microphone. Let me know what you think of the video and audio quality in the comment section. I'm still recording in 1080p 60 frames per second, however I have enabled EIS. Let me know if the video quality has improved in the comment section. And there you go, my friends, that was the Wolfang GA200 4K action camera. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I hope this video was helpful to someone. If it was, leave a like and please subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.